Today, I'm gonna show you 5 shots you must know to make cinematic videos. Hi there. I'm Alex, I love cars and I shoot automotive content. This video is meant for beginners and intermediate videographers. And if you're more advanced, stick around. I love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments to help me grow and improve as well. And stay till the end, because I'll show you how all these shots merge together to make a cinematic sequence. Let's do it. The first one is the establishing shot. The establishing shot sets the stage for your video. Showcasing the car's surroundings and the overall environment, it helps the viewer understand the location, mood, and tone of the sequence, making it a crucial first step in telling your story. You can use a drone to capture the car on a winding road, in a forest, or park in an open field. If you don't have a drone, find a high, safe vantage point, position the car in a clean, open space, with trees or natural elements relating the car to its environment. Golden hour offers the best lighting, but if the time isn't on your side, work around it by filming in shaded areas, or look for diffuse light to avoid harsh shadows and keep the shot clean. The second one is the wide shot. The wide shot captures the car in its entirety. Along with some of the surrounding environment, it's a great way to focus on the car while still giving the viewer a sense of the location. The main purpose of this one is to emphasize the car's presence while showing its interaction with the location. You can film the car parked on a winding road, driving along the coast, or sitting in an urban setting with interesting architecture in the background. Now with the number 3, the full shot. The full shot focuses entirely on the car, filling the frame and minimizing background distractions. This shot is all about showcasing the car's design, making it the dominant subject of the frame. I was gonna say something, but I forgot it. Never mind. You can capture a clean side profile of the car, a frontal view on the road, or even an angle shot that highlights its curves and lines. The goal is to emphasize the car's unique features while keeping the background simple. I keep looking at my monitor. Concentrate. Number 4. Okay. The medium shot. With this one, especially if you're filming a car, you can get creative because the medium shot strikes a balance between the car and specific details, drawing more attention to a particular part while maintaining some context of its surroundings. You might focus on the front grille, a portion of the side profile, or the wheels, while still showing the car's relationship to the environment. And the last, but not least, is the close-up shot. Close-up. The close-up focuses on the intricate details of the car, allowing you to showcase the craftsmanship and unique features that make it stand out. This shot allows the viewer to appreciate the finer aspects of the car. One thing to keep in mind is always film more shots than you think you'll need. Shoot 3, 4, or even 5 variations of each shot I mentioned before. Look around your subject, move around your subject. You'll always find something new when you are searching for it. From my experience, when I started out, I ruined shots by not being observant enough. Think of it as an insurance for your edit. Either the focus was off, something unwanted appeared in the frame, the shot felt boring. It is very important for you or the editor to have room and variations of each individual shot to play in the edit. You are ensuring that your final video will have the cinematic quality you are aiming for. That's it for today. I hope you find these tips helpful for making your next cinematic video. If you like this one, give it a like, a subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos about teaching stuff, I guess. And also I'll be posting my creme de la creme, my cinematic car videos. I'm just messing around. Okay, goodbye, that's it. Hai că nu filmez decât de 7 minute. Bun. My English is shit.